Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where my dish today is so wickedly good, it'll make you wonder, did he sell his soul for flavor? Today we're going to make Mexican creamy Chipotle spaghetti. We're going to start with cutting 4 Roma tomatoes in half. Quartering 1 onion. That's all we need is the quarter of an onion. And we're going to take 1 clove of garlic, palm heel strike it, and take off the paper. Now to a pot over medium-high heat, we're going to add in some water. We're going to add in 2 bay leaves, quarter of an onion, and 1 clove of garlic. We're also going to salt our water. Now we're going to bring this to a boil. Now while the water is boiling, we're going to make our sauce. 2 cans of media cream. Our 4 Roma tomatoes that we cut in half. 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 can of Chipotles in a double sauce, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 2 teaspoons of tomato bouillon, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin. Now we're going to put our lid on. And then we're going to blend until smooth. Now it's blended, we're going to set it aside. Now that the water's starting to boil, we're going to add in 1 pound of spaghetti noodles. We're going to cook these until they're al dente. Once the noodles are al dente, we're going to cut off the heat. We are going to reserve 1 cup of water. Now we're going to drain off the rest of the water. We'll discard the onion, the garlic, and the bay leaves. Now to a pan over high heat, we're going to melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Now that the pan and butter are hot, we're going to add in that sauce we made. The reserved 1 cup of water, we're going to add it to the bowl of our blender. Try to swirl it around and get the rest of that sauce out of there. Now we're going to bring this to a simmer. Now that it's nice and hot, we're going to add in our macaroni noodles. We're going to mix it all up. Reduce heat to low, and then we're going to add 8 ounces of cubed Oaxaca cheese to the top. Now we're going to cover and let it sit for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, it's time to cut off the heat. And it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. That is a darn good spaghetti. Now, I got this recipe from Cooking con Claudia. Tweaked it up just a bit. But either way, hers was good and this is good. If you're going to try something, this spaghetti. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.